Good morning, baby boy!
Good morning everyone! Bago ang lahat, kape muna!
So usually, kapag gising ko sa umaga, nagka-kape muna ako para mainitan yung sikmura ko bago ako maligo. And habang nagkakape, syempre, maglalamig-bing yung baby na yan. Good morning! Good morning, Wayway! Dahil late na ako. Lagi naman. Simplihan na lang natin yung drinks for today. Late na! Thank you. Mapunta na ako. Hi mo na!
Hi!
Atid kami ni Ama for today's video. Morning, everyone! Taas energy. Good morning! Say hi. Hi, vlog. Good morning. Good morning. Hi guys! So today is September 17, 2024, Tuesday. And for today is ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga happenings sa aking buhay-buhay. And for today, actually this morning is we prepared a little bit of surprise para sa aming advisor kasi birthday niya nung Saturday and isi-surprise namin siya ngayon. And also, meron din kaming mga quiz and meron din kaming roleplay. Actually, today is start ng aming Girls' Day. So, meron kaming activity mamaya. Today is napakaraming mangyayari for today. So, yeah. Let's go. Dahil cleaners ako ngayon. Grabe, sumapit. Tulad ng iba, baby dito love story. A day in my life as masipag na estudyante ni Mami Ira. This is my best friend Micro. Surprise namin si Ma'am. Happy birthday, Ma'am!
I know speed. I know.
Happy birthday to you! Yay! Success. Tapos na kami sa aming first subject. And sa aming next period is meron kaming quiz. So, mag-start na po kami mag-quiz sa aming 21st century. Wish us luck! Ano, kapag mababas kayo, okay lang yun.
Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah.
Ikaw ako kumanta. Ako magkakanta. Ito ka kumanta. Kaya ka. Ang kaliwas, alright?
Princess time! Yes! Meron akong baong macaroni.
Ganda ng camera mo, no joke.
Maganda ka lang talaga.
Ako yung mga Boy Scout girl.
Ang ganda ka. Siyempre. Kaya pa? Kaya! Adrian, yan! Talagang ulit na kayo.
A16.
So, katatapos ko lang kumain na recess, makain na naman ulit ako ng tanghalian. Charan! May ulam is tortang talong, cooked by my mother. Thank you so much. It's giving me money. Hey! Oh, yung kalamansi. Oh,
May kalamansi.
yeah. Tortang talong, guys. So, tortang talong. Ang sarap talaga. Tortang talong. Guys, so may kabagi kami sa cake ni Ma'am. Kain kayo dyan.
Okay daw. Mapait hindi. Ano? Nagka-reklamo, friend to. Guys, minute.
15 pesos, guys. 15. Babagay.
So guys, mag-ayos naman kami ng mukha.
Nakasigo. Yan, nung
Mas malakas.
Wow, ang ganda naman! No? Ang ganda mo!
Yan lakas talaga ako nabigla. Hindi mo lagawan siya.
Tama din.
Oh, di ba?
So mamaya po, ang first period namin is per dep and magkakaroon kami ng role play. Watch me maging OA sa unahan. Yes. My family is good. So guys, papunta po kami sa pag-girls dot. So, change outfit. birthday!
Pinulo ko naman ng screen.
How much? Consider.
Batip ko yung talaga. Ay,
Thank you po! Yes, it's time for merienda!
So guys, it is already 10 p.m. and gusto ko na matulog pero I still have a lot of assignments to do. But dito na nagtatapos ang aking video for today. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making this vlog. And yeah, I'll see you on my next one.